How to change YouTube profile picture on phone. So if you want to change your YouTube profile picture on your phone, this could be Android and it could be iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change YouTube profile picture on phone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the YouTube application on your phone. Now once you open the YouTube application, go ahead, click on the profile icon at the bottom right, which is the U button. Then go ahead and click on View Channel. Once you selected View Channel, click on this Edit button. So this is available on Android as well as on iPhone. Click on it. Now once you select it, you'll be taken to the channel settings page. On the channel settings page, click on the camera icon on your YouTube profile. Then choose spot that says Take Photo or Shoot from Your Photos. So if you want to take a new photo and set as your YouTube profile picture, click on Take Photo. And if you already have the YouTube profile picture on your Photos app or gallery, just click on Choose from Photos. Then go ahead and select a new profile picture as the profile picture on your YouTube account. So just scroll down, select it, then click on Save at the top right. Then you just need to hang on for a couple of seconds. After a couple of seconds, the new profile picture will be set as your YouTube profile picture. So that profile picture updated successfully. Now hit the back button, then refresh the page, then you should see your profile picture changed. You see that? So that is basically how to change YouTube profile picture on phone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.